Okay, so here we go. All right, guys. Well, welcome to tonight's um, overview of the CWE Marketing System. My name is Justin Paletti, and I'm going to go over this amazing crypto world evolution marketing system to help you get customers, get independent software providers within the company and in your referrals and in your team. I've been using a little bit about me, guys. I've been using these cold marketing systems now since about my third year in the industry. I'm in the industry now 6 years, and I was forced to build cold market because after my first company, I was really ran out of contacts. I've done well, but everyone knew what I was doing. So when that happens, instead of actually crying about not having people to talk to, right, in the industry, I had just reached out and just, started learning how to market using funnels and capture pages. But this tool is different, guys. And I've done well with those other systems, but with the new technology out there, we have a very clean and high-tech system that we're going to utilize here within CWE. All right, I'm just going to cover here a few things that it offers. We're going to offer a basic package, all right, which is going to be $19.99 a month, okay, and we're going to offer a pro package, which is going to have some of the plus features in, which is going to be $39.99 a month. But this pro pack, if you refer 3 others, you can get yours for free, okay? So I am going to be launching this, the links out probably this evening. With only the annual memberships. There's going to be a one-time fee of $297 for the whole entire year, okay? Because the new billing portal that the system developer is putting together, he's waiting till that's done, and that's going to be done within the next 12 hours. He said the billing portal where he can put the $39.99 memberships on that billing portal. So we're going to be offering the $297, and there's going to be a $497 that's going to give you 2,000 voice messages and text messages. It's just amazing. When I go through this, you're going to see what I'm talking about. You also get a first 7-day free trial. So with that 7-day free trial is that you pay for the software up front, and if you don't like it within the 7 days, you get a full refund. All right, so that's also great. Or you can also, there's going to be an option to pay for Bitcoin or with Bitcoin. So I'm really excited for that as well. So we're going to just continue on here and just, go through the features a little bit. It's an all-in-one solution, all-in-one system here. And, as I go through it, you'll basically understand more about how it works and how this system can help you really amp up your customer base and up your ISP referral base, as well as being able to allow me to help you as well, because I have something special for you all that I'm willing to do for all the users that come on board with this system. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log in. Alex, is there anybody new on, or should I continue on with this? I'm going to go ahead and log in. All right, everyone. Now that we are in the back office here, dashboard of My Crypto Coin Pro. All right. The first thing that you're going to see here is the dashboard leads, where you're going to see the leads coming in that day, the leads that's every 7 days, the last 30 days in total of contacts that have went through one of the funnel pages, tour pages, opened up the emails. Over here on the right, you're going to be able to see all of that information, the times, the dates. Here's going to be your main link. All right, this will be your main URL where you want to share. You can, one click of a button, you can share it right on social media. You can actually shorten the link as well by clicking that button. And, my links, lead capture pages, build a lead page. You have the SMS voice platform. We also have message campaigns and also build your own video page as well. All right, down here at the bottom, you're going to see the quick system training, configure and personalization, and personalize your system. It's already turnkey, guys, for CWE. So if you're really new to this type of system, that can help you, market and get leads and reach out to others who are interested, it's turnkey. All you have to do is just get it set up, the basic setup, and it's literally turnkey, ready to go. You can also start marketing your pages right away and get results. All right, so the first thing I'm going to cover is in the first module here is configure setup, which is the basic setup. Okay, right here, you're going to take your CWE customer referral, okay, which is in your back office, okay, which is in here, okay, under my profile, right here under my data. Whoops, it's under my data in your back office. Okay, so you log into this CWE back office, you click on my profile, click on my data, and you will see your links up there. All right, you want to paste your product link in here, your referral link. Now, there's also going to be a place on the when you check out to get this software or the system, there's going to be a place where you can actually add your link there as well. I believe he said it's going to be there. So at least you make sure that it's here. For the company ID, you don't have to put that in there. You can actually create a title for a slogan. You can actually come down here and enter your main email address, or you can even enter your mobile email address as well. Next thing you want to do is you want to fill these out right away. Your story, your photo, and you can add all of your social links right here just by clicking on these tabs. At the bottom, if you don't know what your mobile email address is, you'll be able to see it right here. Just follow the directions, guys. Everything is simple, step by step, and it has each individual cell mobile provider here. Verizon, Virgin Mobile USA, TELUS, Rogers Canada, Metro PCS, Bell Canada, Bell South. And if you don't see your carrier, just click on the bottom down here where it says checklist for additional carriers. The next thing I'm going to cover is your social links. All right, here is where you want to copy and paste your social links right into this so you can share those tabs to others as well. LinkedIn, my blog, Twitter, YouTube, Google+, Pinterest. It has basically every single social media platform on here except for Snapchat, and that's basically it. Everything else is there. Down at the bottom is a Google Hangout platform, which is basically I'm going to use it for is for an evergreen webinar, just like you're on, this Zoom right now. I'm going to create an evergreen webinar that's going to run and have an opt-in page where people click on that to watch the free live webinar of how our bots are, performing and how we have full control of our Bitcoin at all times. So we do presentations at 1 o'clock at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard, and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. So instead of me going live every night and save me some time, I can just create one video and just share it in there. And you'll see when they click on that link, this is the YouTube video that I put in here. But if they click on this link, it's going to act like I'm live when we share it. But I'm going to get rid of all this stuff. So this here is going to be like an evergreen webinar where we can, have a button here, join our team. They can have the option to share this with their contacts. If they click on that, it would take them to our, it'll actually take them to, this here is actually set up to take to the user's social media. All right. So when somebody comes in here that's a member, all right, with the login information, they will be able to share it on their page. And also our information here, who uses this and shares this, will be down here as well, where they'll be able to text you, email you, and also call you. All right, which is pretty cool. So let's just back up here a sec and go back into here. And that's it for the social media. Once you do that, you want to click on save. The next step would be to go to your photo, which would simply just upload a photo. It tells you what type of pixels you need. The next thing would be my story. If you want to share your story of the experience that you've had so far here within CWE, or you can actually, share your story of, how you got started in crypto and, how it's changed your life. You can also add links in here. You can paste photos in here. You can actually source this out if you have an HTML code you want to put in here. So everything is built right into this system, ladies and gentlemen. It's so powerful. Click save when you're complete. The next thing here is going to be my story, which I shared with you before. I think I just went over that. My fault. And the last thing here is meta tags. Is if you're not experienced with, like, there's a lot of internet marketers on our team that are really good at HTML codes and stuff, where they can utilize this here. And if you're new, don't even worry about this. But the experienced internet marketers and IT guys will really enjoy how this tool works. All right, the next thing I'm going to cover is the My Marketing pages. These are going to be your main links. Okay, here's the main website link, which shows you right here in the photo what that would be to share with others to opt in. All right, so if I click on this, you'll be able to see how powerful this opt-in page is, where it says gain profits, free video reveals top secret Bitcoin trading system that selects crypto trades for you. They enter their information, they watch the video. Now you can have the video of what I shared with you in that Google platform, all right, where they click on that, you can have that as that video in there, where it can be you talking, where you create your own video saying, hey, what's going on? Thank you very much for, taking the time to enter your information. So if you're watching this right now, I'm sure you're looking to learn how you can trade crypto, have full control, and most importantly, be able to benefit from it without being scared. Right? So in the next video that you're going to see, once you click the button below, you're going to see a quick and easy overview of what we're all about, how you can control your money, and most importantly, how you can make your Bitcoin grow inside your own exchange. So I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Click the link below, and I'll see you on the inside, whatever it may be. Right? So that's something you can do for yourself to make a short video like that. And then what you want to do after that. I'm sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm just sharing with you the funnel pages here for now. But, that's something that you can create for a video as well. Here's the other funnel page that we got. This is so powerful. I'm trying to get my software guy to make this spin. How cool would that look if that was spinning in slow motion, right? Tell me this, who would not want to click on this page? Free video reveal a secret automated Bitcoin trading system. Right? Make it rain. We're going to be adding more of these into it as well. Let's go to page 8. 8 is Profit Now. Another nice, powerful, clear photo. Same type of headline. But you don't need nothing fancy, just real simple. All right? And the great thing about it is, guys, when these people enter their mobile phone number, when they click watch video, they're going to get a text message instantly. Amazing. The next page would be this number 7. All right, let's check this one out. Reveals top secret done for you Bitcoin trading system that anyone can use to generate outrageous profits. Pretty powerful, right? The next one is number 6, and this one is, I think, my favorite so far. I like the black, and I like the background of this one, right? Digital dollars. Free video reveals top secret done for you Bitcoin trading system. I like this one. I like the yellow. I like how it sticks out. It kind of, I don't know, to me that stands out. I like that one a lot. Number 5 is, let's see here, is, just talks about the automated cryptocurrency trading software that helps you pick winners. Excuse me. Does it work? Find out now. Right, so it kind of grabs their attention to make them want to check it out. You've come to the right place. If you believe in cryptocurrency as the future, we show you how to get started. We show you how to multiply ways to earn. We provide marketing tools. Get into cryptocurrency today. All right, get all the free details, and then you decide. Right, so it's giving them like a trailer and excitement and cracking that curiosity for them to opt in. And the last one here, I think there's a couple here. It's just basically the same thing, but with a different photo there. Number 3 is kind of the same format with the different photo in the background. I think this might be a different headline. Software picks winners. See it in action. Free video reveals top secret. That's a good headline. I like that headline right there. Software picks winners. Win-win bot, right? To see it in action. All you have to do is click on the link below and for the instant tour access, right? So they'll click on that. You can have actually a Zoom link in there for one of the times. All right, you can set this up and track it, and for a Zoom link at one of the times that we're doing opportunity calls. And there's so many ways you can utilize this, and I'm going to be helping every user that gets this system along the way of how to utilize it to the most and benefit from it the most useful way to use this. And number two, would be same thing here. Let me just show you guys. Might as well. I went through them all. Free crypto software review, automatic cryptocurrency trading. Learn the easy way to invest in the right cryptocurrencies. All right, and the last one is, let's see, here's the default one. All right, free video, how to earn income with Bitcoin. Let me just pull this one up. This is the one that's on default. Free video report, how to earn income with Bitcoin. Build your Bitcoin wallet passively, full details inside. Pretty simple, but powerful at the same time. Now here is to get a site page. All right, now this here is for if you want to wait to come in under 39, but I wouldn't wait if you you want to get the 297 for the one-time payment. With Bitcoin, you can pay with Bitcoin or credit card or whatever you have, but that's for you if you would like to. If not, no big deal. This here link would be, if you get the annual, you don't get the chance to share with 3 people and get it for free. All right, because you're paying it one time and it's done. So here's the default homepage. There's also a tour page in there as well where you can change that video. You click on the tour page, and then there's an app page and then a thank you page, and then a Bitcoin custom page. So let's go back here and go through the lead capture pages, which we just did. All right. Now here, this one tells you what is the default for the home page. But if you don't want to use this page and you want to use, just for example, you want to use this page, okay? Here's the link for that page, and here's the tour page. If you can click on this and edit that if you like. You can have whichever page that you want people to go to after they opt in, whether it's a customized redirect link. If you want them to go somewhere else to a website where, to get more information that you maybe currently had yourself. Let me just give you an example. If you have a website and you're good at that, if not, no big deal. So if I want them to opt in, and then now I'm going to have them go to justinpaletti.com. If I have something special there or a special promo and incentive for these people to come on board with the software, I can do that. Let me just I'll show you how this would work. If I click on this, and people would just enter their information in, click watch video. If I have a video over my website, it will take them right to my URL link, right? And if they want to watch this, they can. If not, no big deal. But if you can have this in here for a member or whatever you like, you can have that in here and do whatever. It's for like more experienced bloggers and stuff like that. But if you're new and never did this, you don't have to set this up. But I'm just giving everyone the option to see what this software can do for them. So if you want to just use this tour page and you want to just share it on Facebook, share it on your social media link by just clicking on Facebook. Watch, it takes you right over, and I'm already logged into my Facebook page, and it already says you need to see this. Free video reveals top secrets to earn online, right? So I can put in the caption, blah, 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 right? I'll see what, I can share this on my timeline, share it in a private message, share it wherever you want to. Share it in an event, share it in a group, share it on a friend's timeline, share it on a page that you manage, share it in a private message to somebody. All right, so that's another way you can quickly, with one click, send this out. You can tag people in your post. Now, if I share this on mine, if I want only me to see this, let me share this with you so you see what it looks like. So if I post this on Facebook, all right, now you're going to be able to see that on my page only. I just want to show you what it looks like here on my page. Let me close these out. So that video, that photo is not showing though. So that's what it would look like there, but it would show the photo. I wonder why. I got to check into that, but I have it locked. Only I can see that. So if I click on this here, if I click on this link, it takes you right to this page. One click of a button. Pretty powerful. All right, so let's go back here, and you can do it with, once you have your links connected with your social media, you can do that with one click. The next thing I'm going to cover is do-it-yourself funnel pages if you're experienced enough and want to create one. If not, no big deal. They're just really simple to do. Just go in there and follow the steps. But if you are if you want something customized for your team, all right, you're a big leader, you came on board here to CWE, and you want to have your own customized funnel to your need, to your wants, whatever you want, reach out to me. We can get that customized for your needs, whatever you want in there. You want your own videos, you want your own branding, your own logos, and funnel pages. You have funnel pages that you want to add in here from another platform. We can do all that, but if you want it customized. But if not, you can just, put something together really here. And no big deal. Like I said, guys, this is turnkey, and you don't have to even use this system. This is something that I wanted to provide all of you because I know what it can do while you're already doing what you're doing. Why not use this and utilize it and do both, right? But just stick around here to the end because I have something very, very special for you guys. The next thing I'm going to talk about is my blog. There's also a blog page in here. How many of you are familiar with blogging, right? You have your own blog link here where you can generate new category post articles every single day. Like a title would be wow, right? Over 1.7 million in sales in just 28 days, right? That's a heck of a headline. Wow, over 1.7 million in sales in just 28 days, right? So I can write a little article in that, and that's true. That's what the team has done. You guys have done, right? In the last 28 days, over 1 million in sales, right? So people are going to click on that because it's going to be a title. You can put in a story of how it happened and why it happened, or like a little summary. Like here, I'll just give you an example. BREC, breaking records, right? So if I just put that there, whoops, ORDS, breaking records, changing lives, changing lives, and winning. All right. Then down here, you can put your content in. You can also put a photo in here if you want to. And then if I click on save, okay, now it's going to show here as general posts. It's not published yet, though. If I want to publish that, I can put in here a new blog post if I wanted to, or I can publish that. If I click on action here, if I click on that green box, down here, it just gives you a chance to review it. Save means published. All right, so now it's going to be published. So now that I click on this, now my blog link would be in here. I click on this and blog home, general post. I gotta wait a little bit till it goes through, but this will be posted in here on your blog page. Read my story. My story will be in here. I don't have that in there yet, but you see how it's connected. People can comment on it with Facebook. Let me see here. General post, publish, no. Why ain't that published? Oh, I gotta add content, of course. Let me just put in, hey, Alex. Right? Let's see now. Let's save it. Not published yet, though. Wonder why that's not publishing. Maybe I probably gotta well, see, look at it, doesn't, I have to probably add a photo to this as well because I have to fill it out. You need a photo for the cover photo for the blog article. Okay, so I'm sure it needs to be more than just this, but you have to put a photo in, and then down here I'm going to click on publish. There we go. There's a little box. Now it's published. Yes. Now let me click on the link, and now you can see it. Wow, over 1.7 million in sales in just 28 days. Breaking records, changing lives, and winning is a summary. People click on that, and now they'll see your article, the date, like a regular blog. If you're a blogger, great. Talk about your day, do whatever you like. But your picture would be here. Your story over here, general post. And people can comment on that if you share it. And down below, you also have your information as well. They click on this link, and you can have them connect with you on social media as well. They click this link, it takes them right into my I have it set up that it goes right into my messenger inbox where they can actually send me a private message. So pretty cool how that works, as well as a blogging page in here where you can set up. And my video pages. Here's where you can create your own video pages if you want to. You can upload YouTube links in here and have them autoplay to a specific landing page as well. It's pretty cool. So that's where you can do that here as well. Really simple, guys. Just follow the steps. Everything is right here. Next thing I'm going to go to is SMS voice. All right, where you can actually create your voice message here by uploading an audio, SMS text messages, SMS video codes, which landing page form should send this. You can literally have this set up fully automatic through a mobile device using keywords that people get sent right through the funnel just from one click of a button through a text message. It's pretty powerful. And it's all here and directions on how to set this all up. It's really simple, guys. And you also get 100 free text messages to send out and 50 voice calls. All right. Now there's no, you don't get keywords, but keywords is where you can actually have it set up as an autoresponder. All right. So when you can have these messages set up that the prospect, reaches back out to you with one of those voice messages in a text message or whatever it may be, or a voice email, you can have these keywords for response keyword. Like, for example, you can schedule it to send, you can have it set up for keywords where, the message that you type saying, hey, Alex, I appreciate you taking the free tour. I hope you got a lot of value out of this. First and foremost, I appreciate, connecting with you. What did you like most about what you saw? All right. So when you ask that question in that conversation within the characters, of course, I'm not even sure, fit in the characters that are allowed, but the questions that you ask in your voice message to that person, you're going to know what kind of answer it would be. Hey, I'm doing great, Justin. Thanks for reaching out. So you use some of those keywords in those responses, and you can have another message sent right back to that person because of the keyword autoresponder. Now, with the $497 annual pack, he said he is going to throw in 2,000 keyword responses. All right, which is, if you click on buy keywords, you can see here what that would probably cost is, and here is how he explains how this all works. Send them to your website, send them to your lead capture page, send them to a video page, send them to a free trial page, capture leads, info, and more. Send them on to any page online works with your MyCrypto Pro account, all right, using the software. So this is how you do it. You text, and so for example, right here, how it works: text SMS demo to blah 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 blah. All right. You can also get people into your text messaging for your team. Everything here shows you how you can set it up for your mobile marketing, and it shows you how to do that. Very own personal text on demand system, right, built into your mobile device. Advertise your keyword and number everywhere. Want to lose weight and have more energy? Click the link and learn more and request a free sample. So you can create like a funnel page inside of a text message to your prospects. All right, to receive your custom text message instantly. This is how it all works, step by step. Grab your customers' keywords and brands now. It's easy and affordable, 3 steps. So, here it's telling you that the system company was going to, give us a deal on this, 2,000 within that limit, or that $497 for 1 year. So right here, it's actually get up to 1,000 free responses. Get started here. So you can actually see right here. So 1,000 credits for that for 10 keywords is 167. Right? He's given us 2,000. Okay, so we can imagine that it's saving some money, and is throwing that in as well as an extra, I think, 200 text messages as well. But this is all in here, guys, how it works, the features, everything's right in here. The next thing I'm going to talk about is which landing page you want to send it from. Everything is right. It goes right step by step, 100 messages, voice messages, and keywords. The next thing I'm going to go with is the email settings. You can have your links in here, your automated email variables, where you can have this information is automatically inserted into your emails. You can change it if you wish. Everything's right here where you just implement it in. Also, you can add in new voice SMS and email messages as well, with message campaigns that you can choose from. Right here, we already have a CWE campaign already built in at a 9-message, 30-day length email campaign. You can also create your own email campaign. All right. Copy an email campaign that you already currently have if you're an internet and email marketer. Okay. You can also write a pre-written or a voice message set of emails, texts, and voice messages sent right to the prospect at preset intervals right through this platform here as well. Down underneath here, we're going to move along to message campaigns. Basically kind of the same thing here where you can, go through it all. Let's go down to create an email. You can also create your own email here by using these, the programmed codes, or you can, basically they're already implemented in. If not, you would implement it right here, like the double bracket, and just put first name, double bracket, equals prospect's first name. So if you want to call somebody by their first name in an email, all you'd have to do is just put double bracket, FIRSTNAME, double bracket. All right. And then now comma, thank you, whatever, right? So now when that sends out, it's going to call that person by their first name because that's the code that we have it coded to for that type of module here. Also, you can send out all 100 messages, SMS, you have 100 messages to do it at, to send these messages into their, SMS. And also you can send voice messages. There's a total of 50. So that is pretty exciting as well. Now we're going to move to contacts and leads. So every time somebody opts in, guys, you're going to see them in here. It's going to show you their email, their phone number, the source page that they came through in. And basically, you can add new contacts in here as well. You can select categories, whether it's a hot prospect, a warm prospect, no contact yet, a member, they became a customer, or other. Their time zone, once they're in here, you can put them in a profile. You can also take these leads that opt in out of this platform into a CSV file if you want to upload into your own email campaign. The next thing is going to be you can add a contact by clicking here and adding their information. Your referrals, all right, if you want to get 3 and free of the $39 pack membership, $39 a month, you get 3 years is free. This is the link that you want to share. You send this link to your team so you can get those 3 people, all right, and it'll actually show you right here that, the users that you got. So once you get your 3, you get your system free. Next thing is here. Let me make sure I went through all that. There's a scoring system here that shows you how powerful and how hot the leads are. Like Justin Pletty got a score of 111 phone number, and he took the tour lead, the tour taker lead. All right. So that means it's telling me that I took the tour. Steve, he revisited the website. So why would you not want to get a hold of that guy and set up a Zoom call because he revisited the website? If people do that, that means they're wanting to get more information. They're waiting for you to reach out to them. You will, I disagree with signing people up without talking to them. Yes, automation is good, but let's we can agree. Let's talk serious here. I mean, if there are systems out there where you send a link out there, people can walk right through it and never have to pick up the phone and even talk to that person. But that's not me, right? Because I want to be able to connect with that person, add them to our Facebook groups, get them plugged into the team and the excitement and the success that we're having, right? What good is it if you never talk to them or they never get plugged into the trainings, right? Because every person is going to have some questions, all right? How do I set up my bots? How do I, set up a hybrid? Why is this in red? What coins are you picking, right? How much can I invest in my bot? What do you have your bot set at, right? So there's no thing as full automation, especially with this type of opportunity and software. We can probably agree on that. So, why not reach out to them? Get them on a Zoom call. Get them on a 3-way Facebook chat with myself, Tony, Alex, Charles, Simon, Adrian, Sham, all of us leaders out there, Danny and everybody, Scott Smith, so we can talk to them. All right. If you don't want to talk to them, get them in contact with us. But, that is what makes a great relationship, right? And that's what builds integrity and trust. The next thing here is the scoring system where you can add scoring systems for a follow-up. You can see what they have here, and you can, create ones yourself if you want. And the last thing is you can export your contacts into a CSV file right here, a text file, or Words document. My task is also like a follow-up calendar. All right, today I need to follow up with Alex at 3 p.m. Eastern time. I forgot. So now I have to edit this and say, my bad, Alex slipped through the cracks, right? So it gives you some reminders where you can put in here and message where you can check this every day. You log in here, be like, okay, I got to go to my task. And this is a great tool to use when you put it in at the night before you go to bed. So you wake up tomorrow, you log into this, and then you know exactly what your tasks are for that day, especially with the leads, guys, because the number one problem in this industry is people do not follow up with their prospects. They slip through the cracks, and guess what? That prospect who could have been, a Tony, a Simon, Alex, Charles, Sonia, they could have just, you left them go through the crack because you didn't follow up with them. Now they're on somebody else's team or company, really blowing it up, really doing well. So this is why this is a tool is very, 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 very important. And it'll also show you that it's completed. All right. So if I click on save, all right, now it drops down here to the task history, completed on 3/2, right? And it's completed. Well, I don't know why the date's wrong. 3/2, it's 3/1. I didn't put my time zone in yet though either. So so that's how that works. Advanced tools. Here's what I'm excited for, guys. For every single user, okay? And trust me, how if you're familiar with, the industry, how you used to, if you have ran leads before and you basically wanted traffic or leads, right? Where you had to send your link to the provider, okay? They put you on a rotator and they charged you probably, it's called solo ads, right? They charged you probably a few $100s for just a couple clicks. They're called PPC clicks. This is the same thing that they charge you hundreds of dollars for, but I'm going to do it for free for every user, that gets on this. I will take your username, I will plug it into a co-op, all right, where I will drive my website through this funnel, through this platform, and I'll drive my traffic because I'm very, very good at targeting traffic. All right, I can get quality leads. Now, every time somebody would opt in through my website funnel page, through my Crypto Pro, Coin Pro, each person that I put into that co-op is going to get leads on a rotator. So you're going to see leads coming in through your CRM here in the back office, through your contacts. Even though you don't know who they are, they came in through my funnel because I'm driving traffic to your back office for you. All right, I'm only doing that for the users. I'm not sure how long I'm going to do it, but I'm just doing that for you to help you get started and see how this software works to get your results moving pretty quickly. So that's what I'm doing for you. Now, your upline leader might do something else for you if they want to decide to do the same thing, but that's what I want to give to you guys because I care about you. I put this system together because I want to see everybody win. We have something very powerful here. We got a great software. We got a great system. And most importantly, we're here for the long haul because it's compliant. The bots are winning. We got so many great bots coming out, and it's just this here kind of completes what we got. But I know we're going to be putting more to this, more marketing, but it's just only going to get better. All right, so we have a question coming in here. Let me just see what we got here really quick. I don't want to answer questions to the end. 12 months for Alex. Yes, I can. This time we can hear you, Monica. Okay. Yes. Okay. I really don't see nothing coming in. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about is underneath this is, let's go to tracking. So what is tracking? Okay. Tracking is where if you want to share a link on Facebook or on Google+, that way you know where your traffic's coming from. Okay. So for example, I want to create a new tracking link. I'm going to insert my name right here. I'm going to say Facebook link. Okay. The string ID, for example, would be question mark. It tells you right here what to put. I'm just doing the example they give actually. So it would be question mark, would be an ad, all right, equals Facebook. Now, not everyone's going to be like this. I'm just doing an example. All right, let me just take this away so you guys don't do the same thing. Let me just put it as Twitter. Okay, Twitter link, and just put Twitter. Okay, now what landing page do I want to track? Let's just say I want to do, let's just do the Bitcoin capture page 1. Okay, and I'm going to click on save. Now it actually generates that link right here. So it's a Twitter link. So this link here is where I want to advertise this on a Twitter ad or whatever, somewhere in my Twitter account, right? So every time somebody clicks on this, it's gonna show you in here how many hits it got and how many leads and what the conversion rate was. So leads means somebody who actually opts in, and hits are people that are just clicking on it but not actually opting in. So now you know, hey, this page is doing okay on Twitter. It got about 100 hits, 25 people opted in, here's the percentage. So now you know that site's working good, so you can track it and see what's working on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook ads, whatever it may be, right? So if I click on this, all right, and you can see it's on Twitter, you can actually get that shortened, or you can forward that masking. If I click in here and I'm going to opt in, start my trial, right? Now it goes right to the back here because I don't have my tour pages set up, but watch this. I'm going to go back to here, and I'm just going to refresh this page a little bit. And look at 1 hit, 1 lead. All right, so that lets you know that somebody opted in, somebody clicked on it, the link, somebody entered their information, I got 100%. All right, so the reason I have it's trackable, because even though I don't have to be in Twitter to click on that, but this is only telling you that where you want to post this so you can track the leads that are coming from that specific platform. All right, you can create a new tracking link here. You can create as many as you want, and it's pretty powerful tool so you can see where most of your traffic's coming from, and what website or capture page is working the best to get people's attention. So if you have this in Twitter for a week and you got 1 hit and 1 lead all week long, all right, the Twitter followers and the audience is not liking that page. Try another page. All right, then you just come down here and create another one. Just name it Twitter 2 or Twitter 1, but use a different funnel page, right? So that's how that works. Down here, you can do split testing if you're familiar with it. If you're not, don't worry about it. Like I said, if you're brand new, you don't have to buy this. We're not forcing you to buy this. And if you do buy it and you're new, it's turnkey. You fill out the front of it, which is the basic information, and you can fire it up right away. Everything's already built in for you. You can do a split test on 2 different capture pages. You guys know this if you're experienced, and see which one's converting better. And the last thing here is the sites analysis, where you can check on it and see where people are opting in. This here email stats let you know what emails were opened, what emails were sent, what emails were clicked on and opened. This here is the stats of who it was sent to. All right, who opened it, who clicked on it, and who sent it. All right, down here is training and help. The whole entire system has its own training. It also has its own user guide. All right, basic setup, everything here. You click on it for to answer questions. You have also frequently asked questions. Can you import leads? Where are my visitors coming from? Blah blah blah. We got a question coming in. Let's see here. Let's see about the question. Sorry, but I have another call I've got to get to. Okay, Sonia, talk soon. Somebody was leaving. And the last one here is support center. Okay, this is a support center where you can create a support ticket, but we want you not to create a support ticket, because this here is pretty well simple. If you have any questions, the first thing that you want to do is go over the user guide, frequently asked questions, to get your question answered. If you cannot find it there, okay, if you cannot find it here through the training and help, the system training, the user guide, the frequently asked questions, then create a support ticket. All right. If worst case scenario, reach out to me and I'll see if I can help you before you create a support ticket. Or if you want to create a support ticket, I'm just trying to help you out because I don't know how busy they get, because this is not the only system they have. They have systems for over 300 network marketing companies. Also customized systems for entrepreneurs, top book sales, people who write books, top selling authors, entrepreneurs, business owners, real estate. They do customizing things. So, I'm just trying to, show you how to get away with this by getting your answer taken care of, besides clicking here and creating a support ticket. All right. But if you want to create a support ticket, you just click here. which department, send it, and right here's everything. How do I get trained on using a video? Here's 3.0 training videos. So you'll be able to see some things down here as well. All right, let's go back. And then the last thing is you can cancel your account here. If you're not happy with it after the 7-day free trial, you cancel your account and get your money back. Right there, you cancel account, click on cancel. Right here you can do, is there anything that we can do with the system? Is there your contact manager empty? Let's fill it with high quality leads. You can get leads in here. You can send traffic to your pages. But by clicking the cancel button, and here you can cancel. It's no bull crap kind of going through the bullshit of hoops trying to cancel where there's pop-ups coming in. I'm not like that. I didn't want that in here. He doesn't do that. So this is simple process. And also select the language of the country. If you want different languages, if I click on Japanese, all right, it comes in Japanese. All right. Alex might be able to tell you how to read that. Let me, let's go to one here that, I mean, it has everything, you know, languages. So that's it, guys. Get back to your upline. I wanted to get this recording out for you. And like I said, today is March 1st. And as of right now, as soon as I get my message from the developer, we will get that link kicked out to you, and you'll be able to sign up annually. If you're waiting for the monthly, you know, it's going to be within the next day and a half. All right, so the billing portal is completed. But you know, for a one-time payment, and I'm going to be giving you traffic on a rotator for co-op, guys. That's worth. I mean, I'm doing that for you all. So I want you to win. But if you get the $497 annual pack, you get also that, what I mentioned, the 2,000 keywords and more text messages and voice messages as well. So, you know, you decide what you want to do. You don't have to get anything here. This is just an extra tool that will help you. All right. But you still want to keep doing what you're doing. You still want to keep building a warm market. You still want to reach out to the people that you know. You do not want to just rely on this and send a link out and hopefully people sign up. Because I'm telling you, you know, I would say one out of every 15 or 20 or maybe 25 that you sent this to, you know, might sign up. You know, if you send this out to 50 people, you know, be happy that 10 clicked on the link. I'll be happy that 5 took the tour, and be happy that 1 signed up. All right. It's a numbers game. So you want to keep utilizing us, keep utilizing the Zoom calls, keep utilizing, you know, reaching out to the people that you reach out to on social media. All right, just keep doing what you're doing because it's working. We did not put in over almost 2 million in volume in 30 days, you know, with this system, but we're adding this to what we're currently doing. So if we're putting in 1.7 million in volume with just what we're doing face to face, and with the system website coming down on us, and we're still doing well, imagine what this is going to do to this. It's going to add to it while you're still doing what you're doing. So, all right, guys, take care, and hope everyone's doing well wherever you're tuning in from here. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.